Hey guys, let's take a quick look at Optimism. Optimism actually has been fairly strong. Despite all the negative news and the downturn of Bitcoin, it actually has surprised me. Now, I don't know when I drew this green line. I can't remember when I made a Optimism video last, but the thing is, you can see that this line was resistance here, and now it is acting as support. Let me zoom in so you can see this a little bit better. But yeah, you can see that today we got supported off this green line, and basically, for these 3 days here, it was resistance. And yeah, I'm not sure when I drew this line. I'm sure it was probably the last video, but you can see it provided support here. And there was a lot of, resistance over here in this area. If we would zoom in, resistance and support, but a lot of resistance here. This was really big resistance. Also here was resistance. So yeah, that was a good place to really draw a line, and we are back above that, so that's a good thing, I think. And if we're looking at a trend, let's just put a trend line here. And yeah, guys, look, we got, we busted through it. We tried to break through this line. We did not. We came back, we tested and tested again and tested for a third time this trend line. So that's a good thing, guys. And we're starting to get a little bit of a bounce off of it. So yeah, Optimism looking fine, much better than most, I would say. The next, resistance, basically, I'm thinking is probably this top of this Fibonacci here. So it's going to be about $3.42. If we can break that finally, we're going to be back up to all-time highs, I believe, fairly shortly after. Now there might be some resistance at around, it says 398, 399. We can call it $4. Now that's a psychological mark, anyways. Every dollar, really, when you're at these low levels, it's going to be a psychological mark for any coin. So anyways, guys, that's what I'm looking at for Optimism. Not looking too bad, but let's see if Bitcoin can kind of hold on and start to trend its way up. I do think Optimism and all of these other altcoins will also start to trend upwards. Bitcoin is actually losing dominance at the moment. So, and I noticed this in my portfolio yesterday that, I went down, of course, but not, so much like I expected. So anyways, guys, that's what I got for you in Optimism. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.